What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Haven't been here in about 2 weeks, so all the inventory should be fresh. All right, guys, first things first, we got some video games. Red, green, and yellow are on sale. This Family Feud game used to be worth some good money. Don't think it is anymore. Family Game Night 2 is still worth money, though. I know that. Number 3 is worth the most, but for $4, in the cart. All right, why is that $10? All right, Nickelodeon Fit? Maybe that has some value. Yellow's on sale anyway, so I'll snag that. $8 for We Play, weird. World of Zoo for, oh, here we go, Just Dance Kids, and it's 25% off, so it's $3. That might be okay. What else do we got? Puzzle Quest, yeah. Harry Potter, Monkey Mall. All right, not seeing it. Maybe. Okay, Minecraft, $10. Harry Potter, not seeing much here. Tiger Woods though, for $3. Not the correct one. Jurassic World for $8. It's not every day that you see Wii U games out and about. These ones aren't valuable, but it is what it is. Oblivion Game of the Year edition. I think this used to sell for like $20-25. We'll stick it in. Why not? $8 is kind of expensive though. Diablo, not for $3.60. Come on. Where's the big hitter? Oh, maybe this Transformers, I believe, is. Dynasty Warriors 5, maybe? Again, I don't really know all the prices. I just stick them in the cart and look them up later. It's always nice to find complete DS games. They are always worth a bit more. Maybe Prince of Persia at $8. It feels heavy, so yep, manual's in there. You love to see it. What else is back here? Need for Speed Undercover. Connectimals. All right. How much was that Need for Speed? $8? That's a little much. All right, what do we have over here? Upper Deck 1990. They want $50. I'm learning a lot about baseball cards, and I know that that is not a good price, even if it's a complete set. That is a crazy price. We are leaving that. All right, guys, so I went through the media, and I did find a couple things. We got Blade Runner on HD DVD. It's worth a little bit. We got a Three Stooges collection, brand new sealed. I'll make about $8 on that. Sealed DVD right here. I'll make about $5 on that. And I think those were the only 3 media things I found. So we're gonna check out the rest of the store and hope that we find maybe some toys, some electronics, who knows? I'm not seeing anything up here. What do we have? No, I don't think so. Come on, it's gotta be something. All right, what do we have up here? It's $25. Kind of expensive, but it is a brand new Lego. Oh no, the box is a little damaged. We'll still look it up. Maybe it's one that's discontinued and it's worth a bit. We'll stick it in the cart for now. We also have a Jeopardy right here. Brand new sealed ESPN, $8. Seems expensive. I'm gonna try and scan this real quick. Man, this is super loud. What the heck? It's like hurting my ears. All right, so I'm looking through all of the toys and board games here, and I did find something for $6 right here. It's a Throw Burrito. Pretty cool, brand new sealed. And I haven't looked this up, so I'm gonna look it up right now. We'll scan it in together and see what it's going for. All right, we have the Amazon seller app open, and I'm gonna scan the barcode. And here it is, selling for $28.95. Used, selling for about the same, so leaving it. $25 is obviously just way too much. That's crazy. All right, guys, check this out. Pandemic, great game. I was trying to find the price on it. Oh, look at that, 99 cents. It feels heavy. Even if it's not complete, 99 cents, just in parts alone, it's worth it. That's cool. This is really cool, Dragon Strike game, and it's only $2. Check out that price. The rank's kind of high, but I think it will sell eventually. Hopefully it's complete in here, but at $2, I'm willing to take the risk. Found this really cool stained glass lamp right here. I think it's $13, and it's got these butterflies and flowers on it. And I typed it in on eBay, and I found the exact listing right here. It's the Tiffany table lamp 8-inch stained glass butterfly. See that shade? with the butterfly there, practically identical. And that one's 85 plus 8 shipping, and then they just go up from there. I sorted from lowest to high, and I just typed in the keywords stained glass, table lamp, flower, butterfly. Maybe if I got rid of butterfly, we might see a few more results. No, starting right around the 80 to 100 price range. Now to ship something like this could be a pain because it's kind of fragile. $13, I wish it was more like $5, but it's really cool. It's a little crooked. Oh, there we go. There's a few light scratches there, but it's not bad. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I try to ship something like this? 13 bucks. All right, I never really look in this section over here because it's just, I don't know. It's hard to look everything up here. Do you guys ever go through this section? It's like the appliances and blenders. I always look for those Margaritaville mixers. They always have KitchenAids here, but they're always super overpriced. $100, no matter what the kind, they're all $100. So definitely not gonna do that. None of them have their bowls or accessories either. So we'll leave that. I don't know. I'm not seeing anything, but I'm sure I'm missing lots of good things here. Check out this awesome Disney Hawaiian shirt right here with Mickey Mouse all over it. It's $10 and only in size small, so I'm leaving it. It seems to be selling on eBay for about $20 or so. Pretty cool looking though. There's actually a few cool looking shirts here. Look at that, all those spider webs. A bunch of these have been Guayabera. I don't even know how to say that. A lot of those. And yeah, so I'm gonna do an experiment, guys, because I always say I don't buy clothing because I always had pretty bad luck selling clothing, to be completely honest. I'm gonna grab 5 pieces of clothing and track them for 1 month. If at least 3 of them do not sell in a month, then experiment concluded. So I'm trying to pick the best of the best here. So I'm paying up on this. This is $15. It's a Tommy Bahama Relax, but it's brand new with tags, normally 110. I looked this up online. It's also a good size, double XL. Right before summer starts, this should have no problem selling. It appears this exact type of shirt sells on eBay over $40 pretty regularly, so we'll hope on that. And then I snagged an Untuck It. I used to buy this brand regularly back in the day. It's $6, but it's 25% off. It's long sleeve. It's super clean. If it doesn't sell, it's my size, so I'll keep it. But those are my first 2 pieces that I'm buying to resell. And then I got 1 shirt for myself for the summer. I thought it was kind of cool. It's short sleeve, kind of like a silk material with these elephants on it. I really like it, so that's mine. So what I'm doing here is just flipping through all of the clothes, and if I see anything that pops out, I look it over, make sure it looks good, and throw it in the cart if it's worth it. There's a bunch of this Le Tigre, made in USA, $5 with the little tiger logo on it. I should look into these because I don't know if I've ever seen them, and they're made in USA, so let's look into that brand right now. So the brand seems to have a pretty decent sell-through rate. Here's some of the solds on eBay that I'm looking at right now. 20, 14, 20, 20, probably around like 20 to, yeah, right around $20. That's not terrible. There's some lower end ones in here mixed in though. I think it's a little too low end for what I'm looking for, so I'm gonna leave it behind. All right, this is the cool stuff I was looking for. The price kind of scares me. It's $25. Harlem 125th Street Playas, titanium something. This is pretty cool. It's huge though. It says it's just a size large. I think this is the warm-up attire. Authentic Harlem. Is this like the Harlem Globetrotters? What they wear pre-game before they go out and play? I don't know. I cannot find any solds though. There's similar ones listed with none being sold. Oh, it's brand new also. That's the brand name, Dodica. Not sure. It's pretty sweet, but $25 on a gamble. What would you guys do? I don't know. I don't know. If I could flip it for like 50, I'd be happy, but who knows if it'll sell. I looked over and I think I see another one right here. Yeah, 25 bucks though. This one's also new. Yeah, the tags are right back here. It's a darker one. So you got the darker and the lighter one. They're both cool, but I don't know. I don't know what to do. What would you guys do? Let me know. After looking at both these jerseys, I looked up and take a look at this. Harlem Wizards Tricks, Hoops, and Alley-Oops. Pretty cool hat for $4 at 25% off. I did look this one up, and there's one listed for like $10, so not worth it, but it's still cool. There's a lot of cool things. So here's a way I gauge interest. I post on my story right there with the pictures and the votes. So I'll walk around the store and see what people say, and then we'll get a good general consensus in about 20 minutes or so. All right, here's another example of something pretty cool. $8. It's a Vineyard Vine size XL. It's got the hood on it, so it's a hoodie. And take a look at these materials. Pretty cool materials in here. We have viscose, nylon, merino wool, and alpaca for $8. I'm not seeing any holes or anything in it. It's in pretty good shape. I think this would be something I snag at $8. It's really cool. So I did find one more thing as well. We got a Mizzen and Main for $6. I used to sell this brand a lot. It's really nice material. I don't know if this brand's still good, so we will look into it, but so far I think these finds are pretty nice. I'm happy with them. What do you guys think? So I got slightly excited when I saw this brand right here, Robert Graham, $8. It is 25% off. Has a little sleeve pocket there. It's kind of cool. It's got everything. It looks good. Nice little half zip. I looked it up, and guys, these sell for like under $20 now. Kind of crazy what happened. I mean, back in the day, these used to go for $50 easily. So I'm gonna leave it behind, even at, you know, about $6. So hey, it is what it is. That's fine. No big deal. I did, however, find another really nice Vineyard Vines 100% merino wool. The little leather zip right there for $10. Design's really cool with all the waves and the shark fins. Definitely grabbing that. Also with the shoulder patches. I like that one. This is another really cool thing at $13. I think it's half off, so it's what, like $6.50. Everlast boxing with on the big back right there. It's cool. I can't find one on eBay anywhere, and I don't see any solds, any real solds when I type in Everlast Boxing. Was that Bronx, New York? I don't know, at $6.50, is that worth it? It's pretty cool. I don't think Everlast is a good brand, but it's just so cool. It's like, what is that? Like nylon or something? Does it say? Doesn't say. Oh, polyester. It's cool, but I'll come back to it maybe if I remember. What else do we got? Nothing, 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 nothing. Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
We have Polo for $6. Lots of Polo, lots of Nautica. Augusta, Izod. What else do we have? No, 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 no. No, no, no. Not finding much else. I did find this that I am gonna grab. It should be 25% off. It's brand new with tags right here. Dallas Cowboys Tommy Bahama zip for about $6-ish. It's pretty sweet. I'll snag it. But, you know, I know these won't sell, I mean, anytime soon. It's middle of summer, so I'm willing to wait, obviously, until winter for these ones to sell. I'm trying to find ones that I can list right now. I'll list them all right now, but gotta find better ones. They sell hookahs at this thrift store and bowling pins. The hookah's funny though. There's also these little Segways over there, no chargers. They're called 9bots. They want 200 each. No idea if they work, and they don't offer returns here, so I'm definitely not buying them, but they are cool and they sell for a lot more than that.